In this tutorial, you're going to learn how to find and enroll for a continuing education course using advanced search. You want to enroll in a Spanish course at Collin College. This is your first time visiting the website, and you need more information about the courses and fees. From the top menu on the website's homepage, select Information for. A drop-down list will open, showing different options. Click on Continuing Education. At the Continuing Education information page, scroll down to find the Quick Links section. From the section Quick Links, click on Search View All CE Course Information. You are now at My Learning homepage. On the top menu, click on Search Courses and Register. At the Programs page, click Advanced Course Search. At the Course Search page, you can do a quick search by entering a course number, any part of the course title, or a keyword. For this tutorial, the keyword Spanish has already been entered for you. Select Search. At the course search results, you're going to find all the courses that include the keyword entered in your search. For this tutorial, we are going to select the Spanish 1 course. You are now at the Spanish 1 page. Here, you are going to find the course's description and delivery options. Also, you will find the number of seats available for each section, as well as course cancellations. For this tutorial, select Spanish 1 Section 4. By selecting a course, a drop-down window will open, showing the course schedule, the number of hours, tuition fees, and continuing education units. After reviewing the information, you decided this is the right course for you. Click Add to Cart. You are now at the Checkout Summary page. Before you pay, carefully review all the course information and fees. If you need to enroll in more than one course, click the Keep Shopping button to take you back to the course search page. If you are ready to pay, click Checkout and follow the prompts to finalize your payment. Congratulations! You have successfully enrolled in a continuing education course. Reminder, you won't be able to register if you have not logged in into your account. If you don't have an account yet, create one right away to avoid enrollment delays. Happy learning!